Be honest when you hear the word crochet. Do you immediately picture your grandma dusty crotch dollies or neon colored toilet paper cover from 1982? If so, prepare to have your mind completely change. Welcome back, design lovers. Today we are diving into one of the fast growing interior design trends that is quietly taking over Pinterest and Instagram. We are talking about modern high texture luxury crochet wall art. If you have been looking for that one missing piece to turn your room from basic to boutique hotel vibe, you are in the right place. And stick around until the end because I'm going to show you exactly where you can grab these exact pieces to level up your space today. First up, let's talk about the ultimate crowd pleaser, modern boho. The secret to a space that feels expansive isn't color, it's texture. Flat prints on a wall can sometimes feel cold, but look at how these cream and oatmeal fiber pieces instantly soften the room. Notice the detail here? The use of natural driftwood branches as doll bring the outside inside. The cascading fringe adds movement every time a breeze hits. It's organic, it's earthy, and it's bring a cozy, grounded energy to a bedroom or a living room. If your style leans toward mid-century modern Scandinavian or a classic bohemian, a textured statement piece like this is your holy grail. Now, if you love color but want to keep things sophisticated, look at the abstract yarn landscape. Yes, this is entirely crochet by mixing different yarn weight from chunky boloids to sleek cotton. These pieces literally pop off the wall in 3D. Imagine walking up to a sunburnt over terracotta mountains or having a calming sage green forest. Abstract hanging right above your home office desk. It's brilliant alternative to traditional paintings. It gives you all the vibrant color of a canvas print but with a warm, tactile depth that makes people want to walk up and touch it. It's art you can feel. But maybe your style is a bit more playful. Crochet is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for bold geometric statement or whimsical spaces. Check out the retro 70s inspired wavy wall hanging. The ball mustard, burnt orange, and avocado green hues are perfect for a pop of personality or gallery wall. And for the one Look at the nursery setup. Traditional framed art with glasses can be safety hazard over crib. Crochet wall decors, a 3D floral arrangement, or fluffy cloud hangings offer the perfect solution. It's soft, entirely safe, and occasionally dampen the room for better naps and adds an undeniable sweet handmade charm that store-bought plastic decor just can't match. The real magic of these pieces, no two are very exactly alike. In a wall of fast, mass-produced cookie-cutter home decor from a big box store, choose handmade fiber art means choosing a story.